In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. By the end, you'll know how to set up an inventory board from a template, customize your items, and add simple reporting so you can actually use Monday as a lightweight inventory system. First, open your browser and go to your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want your inventory to live. From the home screen, look for the option to create a new board. On the screen, I'm clicking the highlighted area that opens the board creation panel. In that panel, choose the option to start with a template. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a pre-built structure for inventory, so you don't have to design all the columns from scratch. When the Template Center opens, click into the search bar and type in the highlighted keyword you see on screen, related to inventory. This will filter down to templates suited for tracking stock and assets. From the filtered results, click on the highlighted inventory template to open its details and then select Use Template. Monday will now create a new board based on that template and take you straight to it. On your new inventory board, you'll see a list of sample items and several columns. I'm clicking through the highlighted areas to show you how each one works. Start by clicking the item name. For example, an item like a laptop model. This is where you'll rename it to match an actual product or asset in your inventory. Next, move across the row and click into the supplier or category column, here shown as something like a vendor code. Update this to reflect where you source that item from or how you categorize it. Then, click into the quantity column, where you'll see a number such as 444. Change this to your current on-hand quantity. Do the same for any minimum stock or reorder level columns, like the one showing 60 or 55. These numbers help you see when it's time to reorder. Click on the date column, which might show a date like January 20th, 2022, and update it to represent either the last purchase date or the next expected delivery date, depending on how you plan to track it. Then click on the cost or value column, for example, where you see a dollar amount like $90,000, and enter the correct cost or total inventory value for that item. Also update the status column, such as on order, to reflect whether the item is in stock, on order, or out of stock. Go down the board and repeat this for each existing item. To add a new product, click on New Item at the bottom of the group. Type the item name, then move across and fill in each column just like you did for the existing items, supplier or category, quantities, dates, cost, and status. This consistent structure is what turns the board into a reliable inventory system. If you need to adjust how your items are grouped, use the highlighted area on the left to switch between groups and then click Add New Group. You might create separate groups for different locations, product families, or warehouses. Naming groups clearly makes it much easier to scan your inventory at a glance. To get a visual overview of your inventory, go to the top of the board and click to add a new view, then choose Chart. When the chart view opens, confirm the introductory pop-up by clicking Got it. This view will let you see totals, such as quantity or value per category, instead of just raw rows. Inside the chart view, click Add Widget. Here is where you can choose summaries like total quantity by status or value by category. This extra step doesn't change your data, but it gives you a dashboard-style snapshot of your inventory that's great for quick decisions and reporting. And that's it. You've created an inventory board from a template, customized your items, organized them into groups, and added a chart view with widgets to visualize your data, all within Monday.com.